The Acer Aspire 5 Slim laptop is a fascinating blend of performance, design, and value. At first glance, the laptop impresses with its sleek silver design and a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. The screen's vivid colors and sharp details are immediately noticeable, making it a great choice for both work and entertainment. The narrow bezels and an impressive 82.58% screen-to-body ratio enhance the visual experience, providing a more immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the Acer Aspire 5 is powered by the 11th generation Intel Core i3-1115G4 dual-core processor. This processor, with a base speed of 3.0 GHz and a max boost of up to 4.10 GHz, is surprisingly powerful. It's not just about raw speed. The processor is smart enough to balance power and efficiency, making it ideal for multitasking, creative applications, and even light gaming. One of the unique aspects of this laptop is the ergonomically designed hinge. This thoughtful design not only elevates the keyboard for a more comfortable typing experience, but also aids in cooling and provides a better sound experience. It's these small details that make the Acer Aspire 5 stand out in its category. With 8 GB of RAM, the laptop handles everyday tasks smoothly, whether it's browsing the web, working on Office. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.